¿Qué tal amigos? Esto es English with Kenneth, un portal digital diseñado para ayudarte a mejorar tus habilidades en el idioma inglés. Si eres nuevo aquí, te pedimos que le hagas un clic al botón subscribe y ahora vamos con el vídeo.
To sorry. Uh, Actually, in Sunday, I always hang out in my friend in the beach. That is very beautiful. Yeah, I think that is my activity in Sunday. Sorry, I'm a beginner from learning English. I'm very nervous to speak.
Yeah, I think you're doing a good work. But just to simplify the question, do you study or do you work?
I'm doing both. I'm currently a student in Tadulako University, and I'm took marketing management. And on the other hand, I always help my mother to work, and this is my activity.
Nice, nice. Um, do you have any hobbies?
My hobbies is playing football with my friends.
Mm,
Every afternoon, I go to the fields, and yeah, I always playing with my friends to playing football.
I gotta tell you, in South America, football is like a religion. People talks about it all day, all night. It's in the news. It's everywhere now because of coronavirus or COVID-19. The football is not really big at the moment, but in normal times, you can see it every day, everywhere. And I can tell you, Santiago is a big city. It's not as big as Jakarta, but it's a very big city. We have an average of 6 million people. But when Chile plays against another national team, the streets are empty.
So everybody in Chile watching the television. Do you mean?
Everybody watch the football show, and most people, if they have the chance, they go to see it in live at the stadium.
So like a worker, employer, stop the work.
Everything stops.
Oh, yes. It is very fanatic supporter.
Absolutely, yes. Look, guys, I have something prepared for you today. This is not going to be a difficult lesson, a very easy one. Last week with the other team, we learned how to order food, right? And I found this very important because when you travel, you have to be prepared to order food. Gandhi, can you hear me? So, uh, after you learn, because when you take an airplane and an international airline, the the, in the airplane, the stewardess, they automatically speak English with you. If it's not an Indonesian airline, they will not speak Indonesian. They will speak English to you, and you have to be prepared because if not, you don't know what to order, what to drink, and so on and so on. So we have a class about how to order food, and this will be available online for you on Tuesday. Okay, and what
Yeah.
and what I want to do with you today is how to answer questions at the airport. When you arrive in any country in the world, you have to go through customs, right? And they have questions for you, 4 or 5 questions, not a lot. It is very simple, but it is very important for you to answer proper and correctly. because if you make a mistake, this could lead to problems and more questions that you might not be able to answer. So for that reason, I have prepared a few questions for you. Okay?
Okay, okay, okay.
All right. So I'm going to share the screen, and so you can see. Where is this? Share screen. Share screen. There you go. Can you see?
Yeah.
What do you see?
Yeah.
Passport, please.
Exactly. That will be the first question. When you arrive into a country, we're gonna use the states as a reference. Yeah. When you arrive in the states, these people they receive hundreds of people every hour, so they are not meant to be friendly, and they are not meant to be nice to you. They're not gonna say good morning or anything nice. They're just gonna ask you, passport, please. So what do you do?
If we hear the custom say to us about passport, please, maybe we take out our passport from my pocket or my bag, maybe,
Yes, and then
and then maybe we introduce ourselves.
not
I'm
necessarily.
from.
No, you don't. You just say, there you are.
Oh,
Sorry, there you are. You just hand the
oh,
passport over and wait for the next question. You don't go and start telling who you are, where you live, where you're from. You say, there you are. Okay.
oh. Okay, okay.
The officials pick the passport and read. When they have the passport in their hand, they know your name, your date of birth, your nationality, everything. Even your nationality, it's in the cover, passport in the main page. But still, they're gonna ask you,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
where do you come from? What do you say?
Indonesian,
And
Indonesia.
yes, but the answer is correct. But ideally, you will say,
I'm from. Oh,
got it?
okay. I get it.
Good. To the other participants, if you wish to speak, go ahead. If not, I'm just going to continue with how do I pronounce your name? Unedo.
Unedo, yeah. You
Unedo.
can call me Edo. Edo.
Edo. Okay, Edo. Immigration officer, have your passport. Here goes
Yes.
the next questions.
The reason for visiting the state,
Yes. And what do you say?
maybe we say traveling or business.
If you say business, you have to have a business visa printed in your passport. They will get you involved into what business you're in, and by the time you come out, you were meant to pay taxes. So
Hmm.
the easiest answer in the planet will be tourism.
Tourism. Okay, okay.
Next question. Have you been to the States before?
If I never come before, we say no.
You say, no, I have not.
I have.
Or, no, I haven't. And if you have, don't lie because they have all the records. So then you can say, yes, I have. Okay?
Okay.
Continue. The following question. Do you have family here?
My answer, I say no. I haven't family here.
That is correct. But just the easy answer,
No fun.
no, I don't. And the thing about that is that if you say you have a family, this will create more questions about your family. And they will send you to a separate room. They can get them to call. They will want to know if you are there for work. So it's just easier and simple to say, no, I don't. This is my suggestion, and you should do what you think is right. If you have a family and you want to use that to get into the country, you can just say, yes, I do, okay?
Sir, what is different about uh, when we say no, I haven't? What is different with no, I do not, I don't? Any specific?
The question starts with do you? So that
Okay,
will
okay.
lead to the answer, no, I don't. If the question is, have you been? You will say, yes, I have. No, I haven't.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
Okay. For next question. How long will you stay here? What do you say to that?
I I have been stay uh, in this country. Okay, okay. Sorry, sorry. Uh, I will stay maybe 1 weeks.
Very good. But it's better to say I will stay 7 days.
Or I will stay 7.
But remember that that must be in connection with your ticket. You cannot say that I'll stay for 7 days and have a 3 months ticket. So if your ticket is for 1 month and you say that you will stay for 7 days, they're going to ask you, why are you going to be here for 7 days? Then you can say, after the 8th day, I'm going to Canada or I'm going to Mexico or God knows where. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Next question. Where will you stay?
Maybe I say I will stay in hotel or in our friend.
Exactly. Hotel is the easiest answer. And ideally, you should have an hotel reservation printed with you and you can show it. So you prove that you're telling the truth. Next question. How will you support your trip? Then you can say that I have my own money and I have credit card. That's how I pay. It's the
Okay.
easiest. Again, you can also have cash. If I was you, I would have 1,000 US cash. And if you really have to, you can show the money, but normally you will not have to show the money. And then the guy will stamp your passport and say, enjoy your stay or have a good day or just go. Because like I said before, they see so many people every day that they're just not friendly anymore by definition. You have to understand that an immigration officer can expect you to be going there for bringing drugs, carrying guns, illegal work, people's whatever reasons. So this is how they think. So they have to be prepared to see if you're lying, if you're saying something that is not. So this is why it's very important that you are honest with your answer and straightforward. No bullshit, if you know what I mean. Not going around the question. Straight answers. Okay?